Welcome to Talk Learner. Get ready to test your English skills and learn something new today. Let's find out your English level based on your score. Are you ready? Cool. Good. Let's start the test. The girl, dash dog, won the show, was ecstatic. A. Who, B, whose, C, which. Option C is the correct answer. We were late, so we had to get to the airport dash. A. Quickly. B. Fast. C. Speedy. Option B is the correct answer. They decided to postpone the trip dash the bad weather. A. Due to B. Because of C. So. Option A is the correct answer. I'm used to dash up early on weekdays. A. Get B. Getting C. Got. Option C is the correct answer. He arrived at the meeting just dash time. A in B on C with. Option B is the correct answer. The new policy affects everyone, including you and dash. A, me, B, I see myself. Option A is the correct answer. You should apologize, Dasher, for your behavior. A to B with C for. Option C is the correct answer. The company is known dash its high-quality products. A for B by C with. Option B is the correct answer. We went to the concert. Dash was a great experience. A, which B, who C, where. Option A is the correct answer. The children were excited dash the snow. AE for B with C about. Option C is the correct answer. She is not only intelligent dash, also very kind. A, but B and C, or. Option B is the correct answer. The movie was so boring that I fell dash. A, asleep. B, sleep. C, sleeping. Option A is the correct answer. The manager told me to dash the report before the deadline. A, finish B, finishing C, finished. Option C is the correct answer. The police are investigating the cause of the accident dash. A, now B, in the past C, on Friday. Option B is the correct answer. He promised dash me the next day. A, to call B, calling C, calls. Option A is the correct answer. The house, was built in the 19th century, is now a museum. A, which, B, who, C, where. Option C is the correct answer. We were told to dash a decision quickly. A, make B, do C, take. Option B is the correct answer. The computer is used dash data. A, to process. B, processing. C, process. Option A is the correct answer. She is the person dash I can always count on. A, who, B, which, C, whom. Option C is the correct answer. The boy dash was tired, fell asleep on the sofa. A, who, B, which, C, whom. Option B is the correct answer. I have been waiting for you dash 3 hours. A, for B, since, C, by. Option A is the correct answer. We were told to stop dash the noise. A, making B to make C, made. Option C is the correct answer. He is the only one dash knows the secret. A, who, B, which, C, what. Option B is the correct answer. The car broke down, so we had to dash it towed. A, get B, have C, make. Option A is the correct answer. The concert was cancelled, dash the heavy rain. A, due to B in spite of C, because. Option C is the correct answer. I'm sorry, I can't come. I have a lot of dash to do. A, work. B, works. C, working. Option B is the correct answer. He gave me a piece of dash about my presentation. A, advice. B, advises. C, advise. Option A is the correct answer. The company is looking for a person dash has good communication skills. A, who. B, which. C, whom. Option C is the correct answer. The train dash by the time we arrived at the station. A had left B, left C, was leaving. Option B is the correct answer. We were all surprised dash his sudden departure. A, by B, at C, with. Option A is the correct answer. I dash not seen him since last week. A. Have B. Has C. Had. Option C is the correct answer. The movie was dash good that I watched it twice. A. So B. Such C. Very. Option B is the correct answer. She is the dash of the two sisters. A. Taller. B. Tallest. C. Tall. Option A is the correct answer. He is a person dash I can trust completely. A. Whom. B. Who. C. Which. Option C is the correct answer. The police are looking dash the stolen car. A. For B. After C. At tuan eat. Option B is the correct answer. I dashed to the party if I had known you were coming. A would have gone. B would go. C went. Option A is the correct answer. The teacher dashed us to be quiet. A told B, said C, asked. Option C is the correct answer. He is the person dash I gave the book to. A. To whom. B. To who. C. To which. Option B is the correct answer. I am used dash up early. A. To getting. B. To get. C. Get. Option A is the correct answer. He promised dash me the next day. A. To call B. Calling C. Calls. Option C is the correct answer. I'm afraid I have to dash your offer. A. Decline. B. Declining. C. Declined. Option B is the correct answer. She is an expert dash English grammar. A. In B. On C. Atu. Option A is the correct answer. The students were dash with the difficult exam. A. Struggling. B. Struggled. C. Struggle. Option C is the correct answer. He is the person dash I met at the conference. A. Who. B. Which. C. Where. Option B is the correct answer. The boy dash was tired, fell asleep on the sofa. A. Who. B. Which. C. Whom. Option A is the correct answer. We were told to dash the instructions carefully. A. Follow. B. Following. C. Followed. Option C is the correct answer. He is the only one dash knows the answer. A. Who B? Which C? What? Option B is the correct answer. The company is looking for a person dash can work independently. A. Who B? Which C? What? Option A is the correct answer. I'm sorry, I can't come. I have a lot of dash to do. A. Work. B. Works. C. Working. Option C is the correct answer. The book was so interesting that I couldn't put it dash. A. Down B. Up C. In. Option B is the correct answer. Share it with your friends, and ask them to participate in this test. Comment your achieved scores and subscribe for more. Bye-bye.